Welcome. My name is Thomas LEDFORD. Here sharing in this video my tax preparation guide to a successful tax service, along with my mentorship and coaching program that's based on the guide, which is the flow and process I take my clients through to help them set up a tax service. So I've been in this industry for the last 19 years, the last 13 as a business owner. Also done a basic income tax course for the last 13 years for people interested in learning how to prepare individual income taxes. And so my process and my message speaks to a specific group of people. And the group of people I'm talking to is people who are tax preparers or tax professionals, meaning either you're a CPA or enrolled agent, or maybe even a tax attorney who want to start their own tax service but don't necessarily want to have to go on that journey by themselves. Or you're an unenrolled preparer like myself who don't have any credentials, who've been in this industry for 19 years, 13 as a business owner, who made a gang of income, a gang of money, and serviced thousands of clients who realized I didn't have to have a degree to make it happen. That may be you that I'm talking to. I'm specializing in a mentorship and coaching program designed for you. You know what I'm saying? So if you want to utilize my 19 years of experience, 13 as a business owner, with the real world insight and knowledge I have by being in this industry, where you ain't got to figure it out yourself. See, I'm part of different Facebook groups just to see what's happening inside the groups. And you get new people coming on into the groups in the droves year after year after year, throughout the year, who just get started with their own income tax service, but they have no mentorship or coaching guide at all. And so now they're in the group asking all these questions, and they still have to figure it out when it's all said and done, based on the response they get back from the question they asked in the first place. With me, you don't have to go through that. I'm your go-to source for everything you need to know and learn about setting up your income tax service and getting started, and me helping you to grow your business, expand your business, and help you to get successful and profitable in a quick, short amount of time based on my experience, knowledge, and insight. That's the solution I bring to the table with my program. Now, this tax guide here is just going to give you the flow of what we're going to go through as far as the action steps we're going to take to help you set up your tax service. So if you fall into the category where you're looking to start your tax service and you just need someone that's going to help guide you through that process, where you won't have to do it alone, you don't have to figure it out, you ain't got to make all these different mistakes that can be costly from a financial standpoint as well as a reputational standpoint, then I'm your guy. If you're a person who already got your tax service set up, but you need someone to support you during the year, but especially during the tax season with any situation that may come about, then the mentoring and tax consultant part of what I do is for you. You know what I'm saying? So in this guide here, I'm going to just take you to the table of context. Table of content, this is what the guide covers. You know what I'm saying? And in the video, I'm going to talk about 3 points. The first point is module 1, setting up your business, including EFIN. So for a person who ain't already set up, then we're going to get together, and I'm going to help you to set up your business. I work remotely, so for the people who don't live in the Midwest / Chicago, Illinois, where I live at, then we'll be working remotely using the phone as well as video chat to make this happen. And so we'll help you set up your business when it comes to the business structure, your business name, your business account, the EFIN application, which stands for electronic filing identification number, which is a 6-digit number you need to get from the IRS that qualifies you to be a tax service in the first place, which allows you to buy professional software and work with third-party banks, which collects your fees on your behalf from your clients. It's the true and proper process for that to happen. Anything outside of that is illegal. You know what I'm saying? So that's one of the points that I'm covering in this video, is that the business setup is what we're going to go through. I'm actually, you got a business name you want to use. You know what I'm saying? Have you thought about that? A lot of people have already thought about the business name they want to use. So that's a simple thing. You know what I'm saying? Business structure. You want to start out as a sole proprietor, which means you can simply go online and apply for an AIN number, which is a employee identification number. That's a simple process. Or do you want to incorporate and start out as a corporation or S corporation or LLC? The choice is up to you. You know what I'm saying? But I'll go in depth with the clients one-on-one on the different business structures and the advantages of it, not in this video. Step 2 would be software and third-party banks. The clients I work with, inside the forums and Facebook groups, the number one question they ask is, what's the best software to use? There's no such thing as the best software to use. I ask the clients I work with, how much money you got to spend on software? So based on your budget, I'm going to show you software that's going to be inside your budget range. We're going to request demos that they're going to send you. It won't be the full version, but they give you a better idea of what each software is about, and you can decide from there if this software is for you based on your budget. That's how that works. Because the software I use is Drake. Drake is expensive. They got two versions. They got a couple of versions. They got the pay-as-you-go. And anybody who don't know, pay-as-you-go always costs you more than buying a software outright. You know what I'm saying? And then they have another software that I use because I work with multiple clients, so I have access to whatever software they use. I have access to that. My tax prep software. There's another software, which is an online software, which is great, you know what I'm saying, that I use as well. Much cheaper than Drake. So based on your budget, I'll be probably showing you my tax prep software and a few other ones based on your budget. Excuse me, based on your budget, being a client of mine. And so that's the process I send people through when they work with me. The next step I will talk about payroll, bookkeeping, and outsourcing options. You know what I'm saying? Based on your knowledge, your skill sets already, and where you're getting started. If you get started like I did, I started out with 2 locations. I had several employees, and so I needed a payroll service because I didn't know nothing about doing my own payroll. So I had to outsource payroll. Bookkeeping, I wasn't familiar with at the time, so it wasn't nothing to talk about. You know what I'm saying? So based on my lack of knowledge and experience with having a tax service and not previous to certain things, those things came about as I started growing and operating my business and started investing, growing, and learning about how to truly successfully grow an income tax service. Different things started to come my way as far as knowledge and understanding about business in general, especially my industry. You know, so an outsourcing options will be considered, hey, payroll is an outsourcing option, bookkeeping is a payroll outsourcing option, especially if you're not doing it yourself. You know, I used QuickBooks for years, you know what I'm saying? So the thing is, having someone that you can go to directly that's going to help you set up your business with you, step by step, all the way through the process on the front end as well as the back end, is the solution I bring to people who fresh, who looking to get started, who procrastinating, who using all these different excuses. Excuses are over with. You got someone right here who can help you get your business set up and running before this year is out and have you ready for the 2020 tax season, which starts in 2021. For people who already got their business set up, but might not have a gang of experience and insight and knowledge and understanding about what they're doing inside their business, then the consulting and mentorship program covers you as well. And you pay a flat fee, which is cheaper than the person who doesn't have a business set up at all, because it's a process that's much more detailed for them than it is for you. You know what I'm saying? So no matter where you fall at inside getting your business set up, already been set up, I have a program designed to help either one of you guys. And so right now I'm going to take you over to my website. It's a basic website. And right here, this is my website. The address is inside the description of my video. You can scroll down the website. You can come here and purchase the guide. And once you purchase the guide, like I said, you get a one-on-one coaching call. We can do a phone or we can do a video chat. It's up to you. And then from there, you know, we can get started on setting you up. And I'm assuming if you're going to buy the guide, that you're going to take advantage of work with me to help you get set up and have you ready for the upcoming tax season. You know what I'm saying? And so that's the solution I bring to the table. That's the benefits of working with someone who has knowledge and skills and insight and understanding with operating a tax service and working with multiple clients over the years, teaching a tax preparation class, which is basic, and a person who's still growing himself, still learning and taking myself to different heights from an educational standpoint, from an emotional standpoint, mental standpoint, spiritual standpoint. You know, people don't understand is to be a successful business owner when it comes to the financial part of it, you have to be at a certain level across the board in your life to get there. So if you want to be a 7-figure earner making $1 million inside your tax preparation company, It's certain things about you that you got to already possess that's going to help you get there. And if you don't have those things, then that's where I definitely come in at, because now I can help you take yourself to a level and to a place financially inside your business that you can't do that you can do on your own. You know what I'm saying? So those are the solutions, those are the benefits of working with me or working with someone like me that's going to help you to fast track your success inside your business. So like I said, this is my website, the description inside of this video to get you to the website if you want to purchase the guide. It's a $47 value. Like I said, the bonuses that you're going to get with working with me will be discussed in detail on our one-on-one coaching call. Once you purchase the guide, I reach out to you and we set up a call that happens either this week, this weekend, or going to the next based on your schedule versus mine. That's how that goes. I got a coaching call tomorrow with my coach at 3 o'clock Central, 2 o'clock Eastern. So coaches have coaches because we still learning, we still growing, we still trying to get to where we want to go inside our lives. And so we're not exempt from having someone that we go to, someone that we lean on, someone that helps motivate us, inspire us, and keep us going and keep us letting us know we're on the right track as well. And so if you're looking for mentorship and coaching, you need someone that's going to guide you through getting your business set up from A to Z. And you tired of procrastinating and you're ready to just make it happen because all you know inside your heart is all the shoots in the world ain't going to help change your life. Then reach out to me by buying the guide, which is going to get you started on your journey to get your business set up and have you ready for the upcoming tax season, so it can help change your life from a financial point of view, an emotional point of view, a mental point of view. You know, because the process you're going to have to go through to set up your business and learn and grow and become and evolve is one that's going to benefit you and your family for years to come. And then I'll see you in my next video.